Alright guys, doing the break 369 AFC first. Thanks for the fill. We got Dane Austin on top. Miller Lite, Kyle Warnock on the bottom. Baltimore Ravens on top. Tennessee Titans on the bottom. 5 or greater. Nine. Good luck. And last round. Tennessee Titans on top. Pittsburgh Steelers on the bottom. Be back with the NFC. Alright guys, back with the NFC random. Break 369. Dane on top. Miller Lite on the bottom. Cardinals on top. Redskins on the bottom. 5 or greater. Reroll. 7. Good luck. Last round. 49ers on top. Packers on the bottom. Good luck.